fellas, welcome to my channel, and for today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a Facebook ad. First, you need to go to your Facebook page and choose any post you want to promote. Let's start with the image. Click the boost post and set a goal for it. You have different options for this. You can choose get more leads if you want to get more leads, get more messages, or get more calls. It's up to you. But for me, I'll be choosing automatic. And then for Advantage Plus Creatives, it's more like Facebook will improve your Facebook ads or how your users see your ads on the Facebook website, like that. So let's leave it turned on. You can also create a Facebook ad manually or from the scratch, but I prefer to boost posts that already existed on my Facebook page. And then next, choose the button you like to show on your Facebook ad. You can choose learn more, sign up, or shop now, but I will choose call now instead since I prefer to get more calls from my future clients. And then put your phone number in there. This is how it looks like if you add a button on your Facebook ad. And then next, the special ad category. It's like a subcategory so that it be more specific. Let's try to turn it on so that I can show you what the option for this part. Alright, so you can choose like housing if it's about employment or credit card, but since it's not related to my ad, I will leave it turned off. Next, choose your audience for your ad. You have an option here if you want to set it manually or create new, or just click people who likes your page, or set an audience for people who already like your page and people related or similar to them, or like it's friends of friends, like that. But I'll choose this one. I'll be setting my preferred audience. Click the pen button to edit this one. And first, what will be my target gender audience? I'll choose all. And then for the age, this one is good. 18 to 65 years old will be good. And then what will be the location of my audience? I prefer all clients from the Philippines right now. But if you are targeting those who are located in US, you can put in there as well. And then you can be more detailed for your target audience. Let's put here, I prefer audience who own a small business. Let's put it in here. Small business owners. And let's put here CEO. Alright, I think that's enough. And save changes. The next step, the duration. How long would you like your ad to run? So I'll choose 7 days. And this is the total budget. This is where you decide how much would you like to spend for a Facebook ad. Let's say I am willing to spend $35 for 7 days Facebook ad. So it's typically like I'll be willing to spend like $28 for possible user click for my Facebook ad. Of course, the more you have the budget, the more audience you will get. And then the placement. This is where the part wherein where do you want to show your ads? Would you like to post it as well in the Instagram or Messenger? But since I choose automatic, Facebook will be the one to decide for that. I just leave it turned on. And then let's go with the payment method. So for my payment method, you can put in here your Visa card, American Express card, your PayPal. Yeah, but I will not go through this further since this is only for tutorial purposes. And then once you add your payment method, on the right side, you will see the ad preview. So this is how your ad looks like once we finish. And you can also see here how your ad looks like on a desktop mode, on a mobile mode, like that. And then you will also see here your estimated daily result. So probably I'll be getting 3,000 to 8,000 reach audience. And then you will also see here your payment summary. So I need to pay for $35 for 7 days Facebook ad. And that's it. Just click finish and your Facebook ad will be posted. Next, let's start to create a new or other example. This time, I'll be choosing the Ad Center on the Facebook page. So earlier, we choose the Boost Post. This time, let's go on the Ad Center. This is where we boost or create a Facebook ad. You have 4 options here. It's either you want to make an automated Facebook ad. They will just going to give you a couple of questions and then they will going to base the ad based on your answer. Second, you can create a new ad or you will do it manually or from the scratch. You are going to type the text or upload the photo or video for your Facebook ad, or you can just boost a post from the existing post you have on your Facebook page, just like what we did earlier. So we will going to do the same again. So let's click the boost a post and then let's look for a post we wanted to promote. Let's go this time for a text post. This one. Alright. Click the boost post and we will do the same just like what we did earlier. We will leave the advantage and creative turn on, turn off for the special ad category. And for audience, same thing. I will not edit anything in that part. Run it for 7 days. This time my budget will be $14 for 7 days. And then put your payment option, review the post on the right side, review the summary, the estimated, the payment summary, and that's it. That's how it is easy to post a Facebook ad. This time, let's try to create again an example. At this time, we will use the Meta Business Suite part. You can see the Meta Business Suite on the left side of your Facebook page as well. Okay, here we are on the page already. Click the ads on the left side and then click Get Started. This part is where you also choose the goal of your page. Let me try to choose this time get more leads, I think. Click this one. No, I think I need more likes instead. Okay, let's change it to get more page like. Okay, and then for ad creative, choose the post you wanted to promote. So we will do the same thing. We will just use the existing post. This time we will use a video ad. And then you can edit the description, or you can choose another image or upload a new video like that. And then let's click for a button, the one that we wanted to see on the page. Since we choose to have more likes, the button that I am going to see on my ad is automatically a like page. And then for advantage and creative, let's leave it turned on. And the special ad category, we will leave it turned off. And for the audience, do I need to edit this? I think it's all good for me. Mm, okay, that's fine for me. And then, yeah, I think it's okay. Let's try to select a schedule and duration. So this time I will plan the ads for 14 days. And this time I have a budget for Facebook for I have budget of, let's say, $18. Let's make it 16. Okay. And then for placement, since my target will be to get more likes on my Facebook, the best placement will be at Facebook, of course. And then choose your payment method. Once you're done with the payment method, review everything on the right side. This is where the estimated. So probably I'll be getting like 14K plus Facebook visit. And yeah, and after we're done, click the publish and we're finished. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end and hope to see you on my next tutorial. Bye fellas!